You may spend a lot of time on your Facebook page or Twitter account, but what happens to those sites when you die?
You probably haven't really thought about it, and that's why the government is urging everyone to draft a social media will.
Reporter Drew Horansky shows us what it's all about.
This Austin area father passed away. His memory and his Facebook account lived on. Today, loved ones post on birthdays and anniversaries, but disabling such an account may be more difficult than you think.
It's a challenge. Facebook makes it very difficult. Google has no customer service. They don't have a call center at all. It's really tough to do some things if you don't have their original access.
Which is why the government is now urging everyone to draft a social media will. That is, naming an executor who has the authority, or at least the passwords, to close your accounts. Nate Stockard is a social media consultant and said the recent suggestion blogged at USA.gov is a good idea.
When you consider the fraud that's out there, the opportunities for people to take advantage of an account of someone that has passed away.
It's still very new.
I've actually seen that in a couple scenarios where people are, those pages are still active.
I certainly wouldn't want my Facebook page alive forever, while I'm, up above.
But is a social media will really necessary? Some attorneys we spoke to said probably not.
It's my belief that the executor would have the ability, or administrator, whoever the personal representative was, would have the ability to do that anyway.
Houston attorney Keith Morris works in probate law and said he hasn't received any social media will requests. But if asked for one, he said he'd draft it.
That's most certainly not the most ridiculous request I've ever received.
Still, the policies are not always clear on how to remove an account. Facebook and Twitter require death certificates. Google can keep your account active despite your estate's request. Without thinking ahead, your likes, dislikes, pictures, and posts might be around for a very long time. Andrew Horansky, KHOU 11 News.